What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S23, and as you know, on One UI taking a screenshot is a bit difficult because you have to do a palm swipe gesture on the screen to take a screenshot. Sometimes if you are using phone with one hand, it is very difficult to take a screenshot. So as you can see, I just swipe down diagonally from the right edge of my screen and there is a screenshot. I'll demonstrate the same again. I'll open the calculator app. I'll swipe down diagonally from the right edge of the screen and you can see I've taken a screenshot. So in order to do this, you need to install this app called as GoodLock, and you need to install this module called as One Hand Operation Plus. So once you open up the module, there are two options, the left handle and the right handle. You just need to click the one you want to customize and you need to select the one you prefer to take the screenshot with. I usually prefer the diagonal down and I select the screenshot option. So that's it. It's easy to take a screenshot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.